Okay, so just want to give a quick shout out to Ozark Off-Grid Family because they saw in one of our videos us mentioning using a Big Easy, and they wanted to know more about it. So, I mean, of course, it's a simple thing that you can Google, but I want to tell you, the sun's shining in my eye, I'm not a pirate. I want to tell you some things about it and show you some of the things we've made in it, and I'll try to keep it quick and simple. But this is our Char-Broil Big Easy, and the premise of it is that it is really a big oilless turkey fryer, and it uses hot air and convection to basically air fry your food without using oil. But it also bakes, and that's really just a bad description of it. It does so many things, and it's so easy and uncomplicated. So let me just break it down for you real quick. There's a grease tray down here, which I just spilled some. Good job, me. Over here is basically controls the intensity of your flame, all the way from off to high. The majority of things that we cook in here, we cook on high. So just to give you an idea, this is the igniter, and inside this double wall chamber is a circular gas burner that goes all the way around. And in this hole, you can see the spark igniter shooting a blue spark, and when you're trying to start it, you can just look right down this hole and watch it, and one, you can see it light down this hole, and two, you can hear it light. When you get a Big Easy, you're going to get what they call the basket. Now the basket includes this whole structure except for those racks and this hook and the lid. You can go online after you get your Big Easy and you can get some accessories that go with it. We ordered an accessory pack. It was very affordable. It was on Amazon. I want to say it was like $20 or $25. It came with racks to put on your basket that give you multiple levels to cook on. When you get these two racks, now you have 3 levels to cook on. It also, a particular set I got came with some rib hooks, which we've used before. Those are inside, and basically when you go to put your racks in there, you take the shelves out, cut a little hole in the meat, put the hook in, and hang it on the basket. Easy. It also came with a cover, which I use, a little pleather cover that seems to be pretty nice, holding up good. It also came with a kebab rack, which I haven't used yet, but it has a similar base as the basket, but it has a place for you to hook in the middle with a bunch of stainless steel kebabs in a circle. So if I ever use that, I'll have to show you guys one day. But I'm just gonna, real quick, I'm gonna show you some footage of all sorts of different things we've made in there and how happy we have been with the performance. And let me tell you why. One, because it cooks your food very well. Two, because it's almost like an off-grid crock pot, because you know we don't have electricity here other than what we get off our generator when we need it. And just being able to turn this thing on, kind of set it, forget it type deal, is extremely convenient. The other thing is, during the summertime, cooking in your house really, when you don't have air conditioning, will run you out of the house when it's already hot enough in there as it is. So this is a fantastic option to cook outside, and let me tell you, it is extremely gas efficient. It is much more gas efficient than a gas grill with 2 or 3 or 4 burners. It's much more efficient. I can cook much more meat in this Big Easy with a 20-pound propane tank than I can on a grill. And if you're off grid, or if you're just considering having for one of these for cooking, saving money on your propane bill is definitely a plus. So, not heating up the house, cooks the food really good, really efficient in the propane department. It's a win-win. On top of that, it's extremely affordable. This was given to us as a gift, but from what I've seen online, they sell for around $99. You can't beat it. I mean, I think it's an excellent value. Char-Broil has made a really, really neat product. It's extremely versatile, and we have, I mean, you can see it. This is where we leave it outside. I have this little tiny wooden pallet, and that's what it sits on. And I got a cylinder right here, and we cook right here, right outside the front door. It's just so convenient. You throw your dinner in there, you come right out the front door, check on it, you go back in. It's awesome. Not to mention, we did get this as a gift for Christmas, and we used it during the winter time. And there was days we cooked food outside of the house where it was like, I don't know, 20 degrees outside, and we cooked a whole pulled pork, and it worked awesome. So super happy with this, super impressed with the quality and how good it works, and not only that, how easy and simple it is, and it really lives up to its name, the Big Easy. So here's some footage and some clips of some things that we have made in our Big Easy. Kristen has also discovered that the Big Easy is an excellent oven or baking option, and she has made all kinds of neat things. Here's some of the things Kristen has baked in the Big Easy. It cooks stuff awesome. We've baked things in there, we've cooked meats in there, and we've been pleased with it every time. We've cooked whole chickens, we've cooked a turkey in there, we've cooked ribs, we've cooked pork roast. I mean, all sorts of things in here, and it has not disappointed yet. There's one more thing I forgot to mention to you in this video, and I just came outside to take a peek at the chickens and take a look at the garden. I'll give you a little sneak peek. We'll have a video coming up about that. But the most important tool that we use with the Big Easy is this. It's a remote food thermometer, and this is super helpful when using something with propane that doesn't have precise degrees on there. This is your best friend. Almost everything we cook, short of Kristen's baking, we use this remote food thermometer. I got it off Amazon. It was one of their recommended products. It has been awesome, and I couldn't cook well without it. So this is not a tool that comes with the Big Easy, but it certainly is, I would say, a necessity to cook well with the Big Easy. And it's really awesome. There's lots of different brands and models of this, but like I said, this was the one that was recommended on Amazon, Amazon's choice, and it has been fantastic. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching this video. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.